Welcome to LNB Renewable System Integrator. Today we are going to discuss some of the basics of electric vehicle part 4. So if you had missed out part 1, 2, 3, no issue, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So in our channel we had provided a playlist. Okay, in the playlist all the 24 parts are available. Okay, if you missed out any sort of the parts, you can go into the playlist and watch all the parts. Okay, and in our videos we might be using so many abbreviations of the electric vehicle technologies, and if you have any doubt, please refer to these abbreviations. What are the things that we are going to discuss in this part? How a thermal management system is designed in an electrical vehicle, how a compressors and the PTC heaters looks like, and what are the roles of a relay in a high voltage system, and how the actual components of the relay components looks like, what are the advantages of the high voltage relays or conductors, okay, how a high voltage system cable looks like, and what will be inside this high voltage system cables. So first let us try to know about the thermal management system. Thermal management system is very much important because if too much of heat energy is generated in an engine or electrical vehicle, there is a possibility for the power losses. So in order to avoid those things, we are trying to create this heat management system, nothing but the thermal management system. Okay, we will have a traction motor, okay, and we will have a radiator to cool down the fans. Okay, we will have a reservoir. Okay, we will have a electrical pump. Okay, two pumps, so which plays important role in pumping the cooling water to the systems where the cooling is very much important. So we are supplying this cooling water to the electrical vehicle control modules. We have onboard chargers also. Okay, so this plays important role. These pumps, electrical pumps, plays important role in supplying the cooling to all the high voltage system components. Okay, even for the DC to DC converter and the inverters also we are supplying this coolant. So this is how the compressor and the PTC heaters of a electrical vehicle looks like. Okay, and what is the role of a relay in a high voltage system? Because we have so many relays in an electrical vehicle. One is we will have a main relay. In main relay we have so many ranges. So based on the design method that we are using, based on the size of the vehicle, it differs. And we will have a pre-charge relays. Okay, this is a customized type. And we also have a quick charge relays. Okay, and apart from it we have a normal charge relays. Okay, and even for the high voltage accessories we are using the special type of relays. Okay, so EV refers to the electric vehicle, and the next numbers refers to the amps rating that we are using. So this is an example of the actual components which is being used in the electrical vehicle. See here we have a positive contact, we have a negative contact, and we have a pre-charge connector, and we have a pre-charge resistors. Okay, what is the use of this hydrogen filled high voltage main contact relay? Simple, it is dust free and a waterproof structure. It shuts off is less than 2 microseconds. Okay, and it is operational noise is very less. Okay, and it has a very short contact cap that shut down the high voltage immediately. So this is how a high voltage system cables looks like. Okay, so we have a high voltage cable with the EMC shielding, and make a note here, for the high voltage we are using the orange color cables, and we have a copper conductors inside it. Okay, and we have a sheets over it, and buffer covering also we are having above those sheets. Okay, and we have a insulation for the coppers that we are using inside, and mostly we are using the 3-core cables. And if you get depth into the high voltage system cable, we used to have a conductor, and above that we will have a primary insulation, and we have a braided shield, and we will have a film insulation, and we will have an outer jacket. Okay, if it is a single conductor. If you're going for a 2 conductor, the same things repeats for that as well. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We had provided our contact details here. We are also providing solar on-grid, off-grid, hybrid application design, installation, testing and commissioning supports. And if you had a plan to establish a solar fencing for your solar farms, then you can contact us. We are providing a solar fencing as a kit. And if you had a plan to establish a diesel lighting system, okay, for your factories or the homes where the EB power is not available, then you can contact us. And if you had a plan to learn the programmable logic controllers programming for Siemens Allen Delta, we are providing training along with the certification for EEE, electronic and instrumentation engineering, electronic and communication instruments. So you can contact us. And if you want to know the electrical vehicle technologies also, we are providing the basic trainings, so you can contact us. Thank you so much.